Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover investments with Principal Financial, beginner guide step by step clearly. To recover investments with Principal Financial, start by visiting their official website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log into your account using your credentials. Navigate to the investment or portfolio section. Review your current investments and performance. Identify which investments you want to recover. Check the available resources and options for each investment. Consider any market trends or economic factors that may influence your investments. Consult with a financial advisor if needed for tailored advice. Determine a recovery strategy based on your investment goals. This may include reallocating assets or diversifying your portfolio. Use the tools provided by Principal Financial to analyze your options. Set a timeline for your recovery plan, keeping realistic expectations. Monitor your investments regularly for any changes or updates. Stay informed with news or alerts from Principal Financial related to your investments. Adjust your strategy as necessary based on performance. Take advantage of educational resources offered by Principal Financial to enhance your knowledge. Be patient and persistent as the recovery process may take time. Document your progress and any changes made to your investment strategy. Continue to engage with the Principal Financial community for support and insights. Remember, recovery is a gradual process that requires diligence and informed decision-making. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.